What if you had to choose just one AI? Claude for thinking and creating, or Perplexity for finding information from the live web? I tested both for research, writing, coding, current information, and everyday tasks. And honestly, these two aren't really trying to do the same job. Claude is a general purpose AI assistant built around reasoning, writing, coding, document analysis, and complex workflows. Claude can also search the web, use research, create files, and run code. Claude. Perplexity is much more research first. Its core experience combines web search with AI-generated answers and sources, and while its paid plans provide access to multiple advanced AI models and deeper research features. Perplexity AI. Let's give both the same prompt. What are the latest AI video generation tools and which ones are best for YouTube creators? This is where Perplexity has a natural advantage. It is built around searching the web, so I can quickly discover current information, compare multiple sources, and open the references behind the answer. Claude can also search the web, but I prefer using it for the next step, taking that research and turning it into something useful, like a detailed comparison or a YouTube script. Claude, winner. Perplexity, now I'll give both. Turn this research into a natural 3-minute YouTube script. This is where Claude takes the lead. Claude is particularly good at maintaining tone, restructuring information, rewriting naturally, and following detailed instructions. Perplexity can write well, but its biggest strength is finding and grounding information rather than acting as my primary creative writing partner. Winner, Claude. Now let's ask both to build and debug a small application. Claude is the one I'd choose here. Its current pro plan includes Claude Code, co-work, projects research, and access to multiple Claude models. Claude. Perplexity can help with coding and research, but Claude's ecosystem is more focused on actually working through complex code and projects. Winner, Claude. Claude's Pro plan is currently $20 per month or $17 per month when paid annually. It includes more usage, Claude Code, research projects, and additional models, Claude. Perplexity also offers a free plan in paid Pro and Max tiers, with the paid plans focused heavily on higher research limits and access to advanced models. Perplexity AI. So, which one wins? Research and current information, Perplexity. Citations and sources, Perplexity. Writing, Claude. Coding, Claude. Deep reasoning, Claude. Research. Workflow, Perplexity. My personal opinion, if I'm researching a topic for a YouTube video, I'd use Perplexity first to collect current sources, then Claude to turn that information into the final script. But if I can keep only one, I choose Claude for the broader overall workflow. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI comparisons.